Here's how to set up a custom portfolio on Squarespace. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, open squarespace.com. Make sure to create your account first. So click on Get Started button. After this, you can choose your template, type, and topic. So click on Portfolio. After this, you have some portfolio templates. There are many templates, but I am choosing this one to create my portfolio. After some time, your site will look like this. You can customize this template easily. You can see there are many options on the left side of the screen, that is, website, selling, marketing, contact, and many more. On right side, we have work and contact page. First, I am going to set up my contact page, so click on Contact button. To customize this page, you can add more sections here. So click on Add Block button. Now click on Image button and select which one you want publish. So I select this one for demo. Next, by selecting text box, you can change written text, your email address, and your phone number, and then click on Save button. Now come back to the main site page and click on Edit button. It will open and you can remove your image. So select the image and then click on Remove button. Next, you can edit the description of your next image here. Next, click on Add Section button. Next, choose your introduction menu. So I choose this one. Next, you can customize your headlines here. So in this way, you can set up a custom portfolio on Squarespace.